Good morning, kids. Welcome to the class. Kids, take out your fun with English book. Take out your fun with English book and open page number 52 and 53. Kids, today we are going to study about this qua sound story. Today we are going to study about qua sound story. Okay, I'll tell you a story with the words having qua sound. Okay. Before that, let's see the words that have qua sound. Qua quilt, qua quilt, qua quilt, quilt, quilt मतलब रजाई. Qua queen, qua queen, qua queen. This is queen. Queen मतलब रानी. Qua quail, quail is a bird. Qua quail, qua quail, qua quail. Qua quill, quill मतलब feather. ये चिड़िया का जो पंख है ना, ये क quill, क quill. And qua queue, qua queue, queue मतलब क्या होता है? लाइन. लाइन, स्कूल में असेंबली में लाइन लगते हैं ना, लाइन से चलते हैं. बस के लिए हम लाइन में लगते हैं. that is called queue. That is called queue. Okay. Now with these qua sound words, let's make a short story. Once a king was very ill. Once a king was very ill. For many days he was laying on the bed, having a thick quilt on him. For many days he was laying on the bed, having a thick quilt on him. बहुत दिनों तक वो बेड पर सोया हुआ था, एक मोटी रजाई ओढ़कर. One day a quail sat on the pillar of the palace. Sat on the pillar of the palace. Palace मतलब महल. महल के पिलर पे एक दिन एक quail बैठा and wrote a small note with a quill. And wrote a small note with a quill. पंख से एक छोटा नोट लिखा उसने. The note was for the queen. The note was for the queen. It was written that the king will get well only if she helps the poor and needy. उस नोट में क्या लिखा हुआ था कि राजा तभी ठीक होगा, the king will get well only if she help the poor and needy. जब वो गरीबों की और ज़रूरतमंदों की मदद करेंगी तभी किंग ठीक होंगे. The queen ordered that all poor people should come to the palace. और क्वीन ने ऑर्डर किया कि सारे गरीब और ज़रूरतमंद आदमी पैलेस के पास आएंगे. They all came and stood in a queue. They all came and stood in a queue. The queen gave them the food, money and other valuables. The queen gave them food, money and other valuables. Immediately the king got up from the bed and was all right. और उसके बाद तुरंत ही राजा बिस्तर से उठ गए और वो बहुत ही अच्छे थे और वो ठीक हो गए. So this was a story with the sound qua. This was the qua sound story. Okay, kids? Hope you will like this. Now open page number 54 and 55. 54 and 55. On this page, we are going to study about the raw sound story. On this page, we are going to study about raw sound story. Okay, there are various words that start with R. R for rabbit, R for racket, R for rain, R for rocket, R for reddish, R for raspberry, R for radio, R for rat, R for ribbon, R for rice, and R for this is rock, R for rock. Okay, now with these R sound words, let's make a story. One day, rabbit and rat went for an outing. One day, rabbit and rat went for One day, rabbit and rat went for outing. Rabbit took a radish and some raspberry, and rat took some rice along with them. Rabbit took a radish and some raspberry, and rat took some rice along with them. After having meals, rabbit wanted to play. Rabbit wanted to play with the racket. Whereas rat wanted to listen to the music on his new radio. He opened the ribbon tied on the radio and started dancing on the music. Suddenly, a rat shouted loudly. When he saw a rocket going up in the sky. Suddenly, the rat shouted loudly when he saw a rocket going up in the sky. Just then, it began to rain. And they quickly packed their bags and went back home. One day, the rabbit and the rat. एक दिन rabbit और rat घूमने के लिए गए. Rabbit ने खाने के लिए radish लिया और कुछ raspberry लिए, जबकि rat ने खाने के लिए rice लिया. और खाना खाने के बाद rabbit ने racket से खेलने के रैबिट ने बोला कि वो रैकेट से खेलेगा, और रैट ने बोला कि ही विल लिसन टू, वो अपने नए रेडियो पे गाना सुनेगा. और नए रेडियो पे गाना सुनने के लिए उसने रेडियो पे से रिबन हटाया और रेडियो पर गाना सुनकर वो डांस करने लगा. और डांस करते करते अचानक से रैट डर गया और जोर से चिल्लाया. क्या देखकर चिल्लाया? क्या देखकर उसने शाउट किया? यस, वेरी गुड। उसने देखा आसमान में रॉकेट जा रहा है। उसने देखा आसमान में रॉकेट जा रहा है और रॉकेट देखकर वो बहुत जोर से चिल्लाया। और उसके बाद तुरंत बाद बारिश होने लगी और जब बारिश होने लगी तो रैबिट और रैट दोनों अपने अपने घर को चले गए। रैबिट और रैट दोनों अपने अपने घर को चले गए। Now kids, what you have to do is you have to collect pictures of these Q sound and R sound words. You have to collect pictures with Q sound and R sound words and you have to paste it in your notebook. और अपनी कॉपी में उसे पेस्ट करिए। कलेक्ट पिक्चर्स ऑफ क्व साउंड एंड र साउंड वर्ड्स एंड पेस्ट इट इन योर कॉपी। दिस इज योर होमवर्क एंड learn the words with this quo sound and r sound story. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.